So this is another type of magic money computers token. So this token came under the symbol of MMC. And now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on with this and buy this token, make sure to check the Direct account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 8 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 6 in this Solana section. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, open your fund to my orders. Now click on swap, make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet, of course, and here you can place the token address here. So this is also token, click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, now that select provider, click here and click on the provider to select one of these, as example Jupiter, and click on apply. Now go back and make sure to read all that information here, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy MMC token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.